Welcome to Open. My name is Patrick. I'm going to take the next few minutes to explain to you how this wonderful website can help people decrease the effects of osteoarthritis by managing your therapy schedule and encouraging pain relieving activities. And if you don't believe me, I recommend that you go onto the homepage and you just scroll down here to this video section and you can watch this video. It's called "I Can't Exercise If I Have Joint Pain." It's very informative. It's taught me a lot about osteoarthritis and how getting just a little bit of regular exercise every day, even like 20 minutes a day, can really improve the quality of your life. So on that exciting note, let's get started. So this is the Open homepage. This is where you're going to come to when you open up the homepage for the first time. And if you just scroll down, we've already talked about this video section here. There'll be plenty of videos that you can watch for facts on knee pain and osteoarthritis. New videos will be added approximately every 2 weeks, and the latest video should be shaded in gray here. Underneath this section, we have the info bites. These info bites discuss some of the most common myths surrounding osteoarthritis. New info bites will be uploaded every few weeks to keep everyone up to date on what's happening in the world of osteoarthritis. So you're excited and you're ready to start. What's the first step? The first step is you go into the top right hand corner and you're going to click this register. Once you've clicked register, the registration screen will come up. We're going to fill in this form and click register. And that's it. You've completed your registration. Now check your email. Look for the message that our website has sent you. Inside of this email, you're going to have your username and your password, so it's great for your records. But the only thing you need to do with it right now is click this confirmation link. Once you've clicked it, your account is now active.